Hey everybody, this is Let Me See Your Transcript, your very favorite history teacher. And word on the YouTube streets is that Nature Boy, real name Eligio Bishop, has a new charge. He's currently in DeKalb County Jail. He's been there a year, has had three or more bond hearings. They've all been denied. He's in there for false imprisonment, the R word, and 3 counts of revenge porn against Janae, better known as Natiri, a former member of Carbon Nation. So, while he's in there, he has 4 Orishas, or also known as his wives. Okay, his legal wife is Velvet Marquez, but she left the Carbon Nation and him over a year and a half, almost 2 years ago, but she has not gotten a divorce. However, he believes in polygamy. He got 4 more wives who have been sticking by his side and very supportive of him out here on this internet since he's been inside. But it seems the Orishas tried to help him in another way, and it's just their 3 guy, their husband, caused another case. So me, what I'm saying, trust but verify the facts. So here I am on the DeKalb County website, and we're gonna go check it for ourselves. So his name is Eligio Bishop. Okay, I'm gonna put the link to this description, to this website. I'm gonna put the link to this website in my description. So guess what? You can look up the information yourself. All right, let's go. I am not a robot. Okay, I'm submitting. Okay, so there are some other cases, because he previously lived in Atlanta and the county. And let's see. Okay, so we got 1 closed from 2011, 2022, 2023. Okay, that's another case. That's another case. This is the house that they was renting at, but they wasn't paying for it, and they couldn't pay for it, especially after he got locked up. So let's go back up here. Okay, I see something from 4/3/2023. Okay. So, alright. So we're going to click on that. Alright. So it says State of Georgia versus Eligio Bishop. This is a new case. Regular investigation is open. Okay. Active attorney. It's probably prosecutor, and I don't think he lived that long. Oh, he's retained Dornisha Davis. I guess it's his attorney. So the charge, criminal attempt to commit a felony. And he supposedly did this on, or probably they got charged March 11th. I think I was on spring break then. Okay. Alright, so let's look at order of appearance. Okay. Oh, let's just tell you what happened. Okay. Motion for preliminary hearing is set to reasonable bail. It's probably gonna get denied. Let's see. Okay. 418 emergency motion. 516. So that was what, last week? Yeah. Motion for bond hearings to place on the next available unexhausted bond calendar. 5/23. That was today, this morning, March 23rd at 9 a.m. And so tomorrow, on Wednesday, 9 a.m., he was supposed to go again, and he said it's been canceled by the court. Wait. It's been canceled by court, so he's not gonna have it tomorrow? Or was the first one? Okay, I'm confused. Okay, I might have to go by one of the other channels What happened? Cause I'm confused. What you supposed to be doing? If you got this on your record. Okay. What? Ain't no documents or nothing? No financial information exists for this. So, supposed to be cancel reason. Cancel reason. Cancel by court. Okay, I gotta find some more information. But he has on here criminal intent to commit a felony. Now, we're on YouTube Street. Shout out to King World, Cool Live Streaming, because they be on top of the Nature Boy. So, shout out to Funky Fee. I'm going to put a link out of there in the description too. Funky Fee had me cracking up. So, basically, what the YouTube Streets have been saying is he was trying to smuggle in contraband into the DeKalb County Jail. In the DeKalb County Jail, he was contraband he was trying to get inside was a cell phone and some weed. Now, I've seen a lot of movies, and most of the time they smuggle it in. You know, someone who works there brings something from the outside. They pass it to this one. They pass it to that one. Some type of exchange is made. It gets to the individual. Okay, that's one way. Another way is someone who's the family member or girlfriend of the person that's inside smuggles it in on their visit. You know, and that's how they get it into their person. You know, I remember one time I was watching one movie, and the girlfriend had snuck it in up her butt and went to the restroom, flushed it down. There was somebody on the other end, whatever. They had a shortcut, whatever. They took it, the drugs, it got inside, and they were able to sell it a certain way. So, but this, you know, it's 2023, you know. I guess she thinking high tech. Well, you know how at first it was just the military that had drones that, you know, would go and like spy on certain places, or sometimes they would shoot at certain targets. But now you can buy drones for your own personal use. Now I've heard of drones being used by, you know, cartels and drug people, drop over places, you know, over walls and stuff. But you know, people have, like I said, drones just for, you know, flying around or doing whatever. But see, Arisha's got a drone, taped the phone to the top, and inside the drone had some weed or something. And then they were flying over there to the jail. And I guess Eligio was supposed to somehow, I guess, get the stuff from the drone once it got to the whatever side he was to get. I'm still trying to figure it out. Something about some sheets or something. He's supposed to do some rolling and then bring it up. I don't know. They probably was watching some TV. I don't know. Someone probably Googled something. They probably had designs. They probably the Rishas probably got that, you know, Ocean's 8 on, you know, something, you know, I don't know. But it didn't work. And when it comes to Funky Feet, his cell had already gotten, you know, searched before. So probably somebody did call him on. But because of that, he called another charge. So you are in there. So he's already in there for 3 counts of the R word. I'm sorry, 1 count of the R word, 3 counts of revenge point, and 1 false imprisonment. And you don't call it charge. In March of 2023, I want to say this is around the time he first got locked up. Was it April? Are you trying to stay in jail? You need weed that bad? Did you promise to weed to somebody in there for protection? Sir, wait a minute. The erasers, none of them was willing to stick it up their butt, just stick it into you? Did they try that before? Did they not have enough ass for that? Enough butt? Like, what is going on? I thought she was trying to get out of there. Man, is that why people say, oh, he's going to get out because they saw a bond hearing and they thought, oh, he's going to get out? No, the bond hearing was for this new charge. And they were like, no. So, I'm still trying to say it. Oh, Lord. Marilyn Manson would never. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be laughing like that. Jim Jones would never. I'm sorry, Jim Jones. He had a wife and a legal wife, 4 other women. They were doing whatever he wanted. Manson had 4, 5. They were showing up to his trial and so. Nature Boy couldn't get 4 women. I said, I'm trying to be a troll. He got caught. Sir, you're not. You just need to give up the cult life. It's cult leader life, sir. This ain't working. No. Are they trying to go? Are the women trying to go to jail? Or this y'all way of trying to figure out? Okay, how can we stop being out here doing this stuff in here? I'm tired of him. Okay, just put it on the drone and then put it over there and make sure it don't. It just falls down. Then he get another charge. He say in there. Now we might have to go to jail for a while for ourselves. Then maybe we can be free of this stuff. Like I'm just trying to figure it out. These women have been on the news. They've been on Tasha K. They've been doing all these videos. I'm on Stand By Your Man. Y'all was shading the other people who left. Oh, Lord. I bet the Lord in heaven is cracking the hell up right now. Rest in peace, Lord. And y'all shaded him over a year ago and everything. And shaded other people too. Yeah, it's oh my goodness. OMG. Jaguar don't get no ideas. Don't get no ideas, Jag. I gotta go check on Fisher King Payne and Chandra Way about Jag. See what's going on. Jag, you trying to get somebody to get you a drone and see you something. You still call you charging, yeah. Don't do it, Jaguar. Don't let Legio get you in trouble. Okay, y'all. This is Let Me See Your Transcript. Your very first history. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Oh, emoji.